I'll help you out and tell you exactly how to set up Cognify CL and how exactly to utilize it. So what is it? It is essentially a summarization and categorization tool which allows you to summarize and categorize your internet consumption. All of that done locally, so you don't have to send your data to a third party. So first I want you to download the zip file and then basically extract it, and this is what you will get. So once you are done doing that, notice that there is an extension file here and a sync branch file here and a web app file here. The Llama engine file won't be present in yours. So first thing you have to do is that put the extension in your Google Chrome, or yeah, any, I think it should work for other Chrome based extensions Chrome based browsers as well. So put this in your Google Chrome, Arc, whatever. So once you're done doing that, and then I'll tell you how exactly to set up the Llama engine. So I've explained this pretty well in the readme, so please do check out the readme. This is all explained very clearly in there. So yeah, basically run these commands. What you will do is basically you will create a Llama engine folder, clone Llama cpp, build it, then create the model path and place the model in there. The model which you have to place is this tiny llama chat. After renaming it tiny llama chat, so make sure the model that you download from the link, you rename it to this, and then after that place it in Gemma. So I'll do that for you as well. So I've said I've skipped the downloading portion because it'll take some time when you clone the repository, okay? So but once you're done that, put the model in Gemma, and now you are done with this. So yeah, now we are done with the setting up portion. So yeah, now we have the web app and wait a second, and the sync bridge. So what we'll do is basically we'll run both of them. Make sure to install the node modules. I've already installed the node modules, and make sure to install the node modules for the backend as well. So once you're done with both the things, like basically run this npm install. Okay, it will take a second. Yeah, once you're done with that, inside the web app run, yeah, start the front end and yeah, start the backend. So now your backend is running at 3001 and the front end is running at port 3000. So now that you have done both the things, browser in place, browsing extension in place. So we have already given the source link for this file for the extension. So now you can just visit localhost 3000 and you will get the landing page. This is the link for the extension again. You can download the extension from this link, and after that you can just refresh this page, and this time you will have a categorical graph. So this knowledge graph basically has all the categories as the nodes, and the recent activity section is which shows all the activity that you do. So whenever you visit, okay, so for example if you visit maths, yeah, that maths will be added as a category in there. Let's go further. Let's just visit this link. Yeah, alright, so we just visited a link. So yeah, now we'll just refresh it. So the Maths Geeks for Geeks link which we visited. You can just keep adding these. I don't know, whatever you want to search, and basically the links will be categorized into these categories using keywords. So keyword frequency is the method that we use. So basically what happens is when a particular keyword has category keyword has higher frequency, that gets categorized higher categorized. So these links actually have mostly maths category. I mean, the math related keywords are the highest in number. So that's why it has been categorized maths. Let's just click on this and let it fetch the data. Okay, so now we have a summary of all the content that we wanted. So yeah, you can just do whatever you want with it, and yeah, basically that. We want to see what is going behind the word. So basically what is happening is that uh, so when you click on a card link, the app basically takes it to the summarization API, and basically what happens is that it triggers the local llama model that we set up. So we want to see it in the code. Yeah, we have just exactly that. So yeah, so what's going on here is that basically the request goes to the summarize page, and what happens is that the handler uses local llama llm summary function, and that function is from summarizer, and inside that basically we spawn a process with the llama CIL tool, and using our model, that model reads the link's content and then returns the summary, and the result is saved as an entry, and then the page re-renders. So this is essentially how we are doing that. And other than that, we are basically doing all this so that we don't have to send the data to external APIs. So when you send the data to external APIs, there is obviously a privacy concern. Yeah, what else do you guys want to see? Yeah, so on the back end, as we can see, all the links that we are stored, they are getting logged. So yeah, this is what happens when we essentially clear all. So in the sync bridge, there is the categories folder which has all the JSON files for all the different category entries. Wait a second, I can show you that as well. So where is the sync bridge? So yeah, it has the category files, so they are categorically stored. So basically, as I told you how it categorizes, it adds it in there, and yeah, so if you want, I can show you the server code as well. Okay, this is just for the web app. I'll show it to you through this. Yeah. So this is basically the server code. See what it is essentially doing. It is categorizing things using the keyword and the keyword frequency basically. And it also has a clear feature which gets in our API, which gets triggered when we press on the clear button. So basically this gets triggered when we No, we are done with the summarization process when we click on the clear button. So now if we revisit this, so yeah, this is essentially what our app contains. Let me know if you have any questions regarding a specific section. If you want to get a highlight of the code, basically what you can do is I can show it to you around. Yeah, so this is basically how the code is structured. There is the llama generator, the extension as we know, the background JS basically runs in the background and stores all the links. Um, I mean, like, yeah, and the servers, yes, the link that widget gave, it gets logged into this entries.json file, and all the categorical links are stored in this categories. And this is the web page, the front end structure. So yeah, please let me know if you have any further queries or if you have any trouble setting it up. Thank you guys for the time that you gave me. I hope you like the product. If you wanna visit, no matter how many times you reopen this link, it is still open with this page only. Once you have clicked on that download link button, and if you do this, in which you can just yeah. So I hope you like the product. Thank you very much for your time.